It's a comedian, so Excellency the President John Mahama. That's why I ship Ghana for. At to be at the man no media and so much man can have in the school. That's why I say. Then you know for Aboboyaa Ambulance is beer. If you asava Ghana, I got a say, almost yes. On mine, a coy new, and not ye coyachi. Omo abe class John Mahama. I'm on to the moon to the wide amame. Ewa comment section. I PENYAH broke me. The mess was said it. Over like if video not that my subscribe button, number click verification connect up the time to the wide amame. Ewa comment section. Over so. Not sure for PENYAH be action. You know, Yade Mahama etina kunyaso His Excellency John Drone editor kunyaso as early 7th January 2025. Ocha 1 month nieko ra February 24th February 2025. Any who say video be go viral. Out that video na say NBC ni man be as o TikTok and din out the Gonja TV. Or no anyway post here as a video no. Some set of motoken and I am branding as ambulance and I clear home motoken ambulance.
So, if you're going to tell me, looking at things, when you see the background, you can see that we have health, emergency, ambulances. This is a special one for our, president. You know, president, he have been saying that he like people health more than everything in this world. And as far as he's coming power and he has come power, he's going to do a lot. This is just the beginning. This is the health that he has lobbied from the UN, so that in terms of health and everything that you do, you have to be healthy. So John is bringing us small cars so that they can, be in the villages to help pregnancy women and emergency cases. That's why these small cars are coming. They are about 7,000 each constituency, 7,000, and this is just the beginning. Health is everything. We thank you, our president John Mahama, lovely one. See next coming. You see the bed, that's the bed, and the oxygen with the fan. Oh, John Mahama, we bless you. You're doing the best.
I said they were all heading towards the northern region part of Ghana.
The arrival of John Mahama Ambulance. Welcome to the country, John Mahama Ambulance. Welcome to the country, John Mahama Ambulance. Thank you very much, John Mahama. We really appreciate. I'm gonna want to work. John Mahama.
Emma might be able to children or Mahama Basso, Sam Mahama Ayade, we back from motoken ambulance at the Abaya Dico Slim, I could support health facilities, and was Slim Hodom and Mahama Abasso. Emma, that time no, Ghana Fagas, I hear her. Said the motoken, Yan one is now, Mene, Yakoda here, Yana Papa, I got tea near, Yadi motoken by ambulance or Ghana, the motoken, Kurano, put his say, I did go ambulance, say, Ghana for no. Echa mother papa when you want that easy Aboboyaa you didn't move from Aboboyaa Ambulance Aboboyaa Mahama Daniel laughing stick Ghana Hanoma. Now sadly be assess now this time around now and is for Omar very smart. You know on set exactly 25th February 2025 then I buy any actual motoken ambulance. In general it was clear. Said the guy could render ambulance services. But this time around, almost at the Biaba, now over the buy free primary health care. na ade we ba ye no ana Ghana for start say there be ade Mahama any for government no omu gu Ghana ni mu ase omu bu Ghana ni mutia because mo the ambulances ba be support your health system mo so ba be share health working na ye the motokin Aboboyaa na be ambulance as ye ni say na ade ba ye no ana me hunu say NDC for ni bi a start jandam bi they so start agenda bi e wo Facebook montno so as a man wo kire mo say o this is not the first time motokin ambulance eba Ghana ha when your first time for the time ebi buy as we quote with figures the about 2020 there's about 2024 ni we call us they buy any ade but no it make sense post of make you know the post of make it make sense but this is baby onyane wrong ye dey go for trap year 2017 2 years time one rush no person was supporting health facility no but one rush he was putting things in place. In exactly 28th January 2019, Anna Kuford commissioned 307 ambulances, ultra-modern ambulances. That is a special car. And now Aboboyaa and you motokin and you BBR. Ambulances. Anna Kuford buy 307 Seba Kubia Enko each constituency. Am I a chair? I said that also the bed facilities by or got over 200 bed facilities and will supply bed to hospitals ever Ghana Hanamo. And Sana 2020 motokin ambulance ebano now could for the thing kind of ultra modern ambulances are a car edin care by Ghana ha. In the agenda 90s ni was at Wonyansi Muneka Unya concert near Yagro Ghana Hanamo. Obi the ambulance Aboboyaa ni bi buy but answer there will be an urban no din kind of car ambulances 307 abba. And 20 me for o buy o first ambulance ade bomb Aboboyaa na man for can who the way na be of defense. This is childish politics. As a munyini you for grow munyini grow in politics munyini na munyai concept president moya. Now these ambulances no ana comedian so just say Mahama o mu Ghana for no he doesn't respect us. Na mo token ambulance there wow I say this it will be clash with John Mahama now we any munchire.
Yeah. NDC government mo gu Ghana fo ni ma se papa NDC government mo gu Ghana fo mo gu Ghana fo ni ma se papa hey mo tam mo se mo kofa ambulance at the Ghana hospitals mo koto ambulance di aba Pragia na mo kokoto ye say mo di bre Ghana hospitals Aboboyaa mo age 1.5 billion say ye bi di akoto ambulance e di bre Ghana hospitals na Ghana hospitals ayusu Aboboyaa Pragia na ye president John Mahama kra ne house help be nsu Pragia President John Mahama obeto Pragia and yamane house help so ntinemu enfanko di door market enfameye aduane emanema and enfameye aduane wo fie President John Mahama obeto Aboboyaa di yamane house help Hamabu minka akando eye health minister bisan ho se sa Aboboyaa na wakwa akoto edi abra eye Ghana hospitals no sa Aboboyaa no wo beto edi ama wo ba fami se wo ba eyare owu obe expect se wo ba ende Aboboyaa mu fanko hospital obe expect se oba no onda Aboboyaa mu fanko hospital wo kwa koto ambulance edi abra edi Ghana hospital Aboboyaa Pragia ena wo kokoto se mi distribute Pragia edi Ghana hospitals Pragia uche Pragia mu from Aha to Accra ebetumi take you by 5 hours. Pragia. Na Pragia ya dia ye call them Ghana Health. Ghana Hospital. I'm tired. Mu kuye ni mase. Mu kuye ni mase papa. Mu NDC mu ku NDC mu kuye ni mase. Asa. Mu ya mistake eh? Mel already. Hey, Pragia. Pragia. What to Pragia say? Me be distribute Pragia at the Ghana hospitals. Pragia. NDC government. NDC government. Now more politicians now. More politicians in more impayfo na. More tina say a plan say more kofa Pragia. And Fambra a Ghana hospitals no. Mona motina se sa board na motina se plan ye no. Why na what Pragia will be fee? NDC 4.4 na motina se plan ye say. Pragia is the best option. E de ma eye Ghana Health no. Mo sample na motina se. Dwene sa adwene no. Why na what Pragia de ni fee? So ya me ya. Yem fan into Pragia mu ko hospital. Aboboyaa.
Na Ghana Health Service then I'm a person muchire ye. Agrona mudi ana someone ibresem because ade we di anya ade a yedi nipa tumu. Mo akra yem pinema mo for mo ntumi nipa eba betena ade we mu den na mo pa kire. Ghana ekonochi ana se den na ekoso. Say 11 hoba bi na nke bi amoye sa niema we mu kofa niema we tricycle abase mo de ba be ye as ambulance sema nke bi a yebeti ase but in the 21st century 2026 and mo kofa tricycle abase mo de ba be ye healthcare now mo akura ye mpirimo mo fo mo nto sa niema we mu eya na man for kana burochire nye masa oti aburochire asade we okra akra yare a ambulance papa ne beba be fa no nti de nti na a whole country like Ghana oye project say e bia oba be pe ayaresa ma man for in a way you are trying to kill people because obi yare na so obi nyim na so okofa na to ade we mu na the way shaking pa be ba tricycle na ne nan ye for okra ye sen na ne nan ye miensa eba be kokwan a ye kwan nyina nye papa enti wo pa kire me say we a better policy a ye de ba be kire man say ye koye nim in this 21st century. Oh my Ghana dear wallahi mutonko any serious person be aka kire ne say we ye de kofa nipa onji need da but me my mu dear is possible and the myopic minds and also they are so happy. Myopic minds, they are so happy. Ubebusa on say Minister Ben or be penepse and faneba and koto sadia we. President Ben abe penese and faneba and koto adia we. Sikani Ben ye dine babe to adia we. A here for no munika preno or when you don't be rescue of my life. Or more any a rescue of my life, do more good sadia we. Tricycle Aboboyaa 21st century 2026 na yewoyo odi Aboboyaa kofa nipa for healthcare masa you should rethink when your politics where your wisdom intelligence na ye ka wa ha yan dwi nipa ho ne yenjai sa ne ma na ye te say ase ye ne mmoa bi na edili obi wu a enye hwe ye de obi kotum na so wu a enye hwe we yes we maintenance culture anti abroswa 4 months 5 months 6 months we won't say ya start pack we ase na ya cause financial loss to the state. We are not thinking as a people. And unfortunately, because of politics, inti nyansasem da hokra na nipa mpeso omo dwen. Anyway, politicians now who say nipa bebre omo wo man no ma dwen nya adwuma. Until they will treat them anyhow. They will bring things that are out of standard near their omo. And to hear we are here, or man bang and the tricycle, a funny patience, the citizens or moyare. Massa, yentimin to son name Hunusus how. Yan as a people, near acting as a people. Na yes, ye nipa, bibini also ye nipa.
I'm inquiring this if also. A year or more ambulance here, Macofadia Bay. Now require a friend ambulance in pool. Wey obi bia obama aye NDC ho ayo obo wanwa bia no na me ni nukrani me ho bedwiri me NDC aye nim ni NDC aye nim no NDC fa bibi papa bia ma yo se hwe NDC abakosem a NDC she don for policy papa bia ebebu oman no emai na me ni nukrani saka yi pragye ya omudi abebebrebe ye someway enti sa pragye sa wo kam ye nu bom anase miensa bom a entimi ntofu ambulance entimi ntofu ambulance ana entimi na modi adai ena plage ku pa ye de nam nyina no e wo se plage na boa yo kwa bi so de na so so timu a na wakoma na eda mu no na be so na ase because we yam sisiwa but we need choice. Enti nyamye ni nukurani wo de yare fo to wem NDC fo nyamye ni nukurani de mu ye di anye wo edi na modi amba modi di esa Ghana no ye di adane ayi ABCD na say Ghana na adane part wo ena mu waste sika se NDC fo the policy bi beba na sika be kwa kwurom na beba abontene e be hwa na ade bi asabi efa so bi ani so John Mahama tam sika twitwi di akoto paade e fa so bi amaso amagana wasa tam sika twitwi di akoto sa bicycle we ya besisi wo sa bicycle we ya va wan ya fa ni ntum adenti na mu di sika wo di mani da hosa adenti na sa mu di sika na mu yema ye hunu sa ma di sika wa na broso adai enti sa ka ye akoto ba besi we ya nyani nukurani nyameli nukurani Ghana akwanya kansanye yedi bi anye adi emu
ebia baby aka we be kono ambulance ne be kono men kan sen twini kan sen ebia baby aka we enam se susu no betime wura no ebia na ambulance na ntime wura ho ana free primary health care na oye no bibia beto odwan so se diska na emom no ono so dia ode aba no o kire se ebia sa ebia ye kan say baby a woti grafo say baby na driver si no nya problem ye fro say baby a area ya na woti first asana basantasi
tech side
tech won say ebia baby a wo no apoto bibre ni eniema bia kwan no the way city ni ade no ebia senior bia ambulance akese ni ntimi kwale we so e ka ambulance no ho a se nka nya
na eno de ko wura lungu wana
da me pesa wa lungu
na enti kwan na ya de we nti nipa da wem na lungu na dani nipa na di so yes ni so aya agro no mudi no na nyani nukurani ba bia ni wono ma
comfort broni se omura ho pa na
omu ntimi defend
but we one of the biggest social intervention programs. Free primary health. Boy, my apomudin sensem ye bibia akoswa ye kama na ya hwe nipa free na how amane ni atitibia onemu say ya ebia woni sika be hospital ye betima hwe na ohima boy say be boa na wetima sore gina na so aye
me sore gina me na so wa he
aye duma magana no
sore gina me na so wa he dabi enye no kura etutu ni se eliza tometi bi se lungu bi wa kura bi ase na me fra ebeba
aye beba
enye no kura yetiwa eno omudi
e ba cho e ma me fa we nkan wa sana omudi moto so kan wa oh ade
NDC for agro mani so na mini ni kwani agro mani so papa moto na de dai
ye wo bebu odun kwa wa techem
odi moto na omudi moto na dai omudi moto na be family afi e ho akọ hospital
tie una wo de bia wo nem o but ye the motor so aka ho
enye exactly enye ye ka no kwa enye ye tie na NPP time no show ambulance no wa ba so
me he motor no why motor no ma me he motor na eka ho no me pa cho me he motor na eka ho no motor so ka ni
motor na da ni motor
ni na be bo
se abubu ni de me go me ba se je me ya na me shelu be ho be la me wono kai ni wa na o wono fama ba aba hospital
bam
apu
anotin
Daddy kai na menyom na afia ne beta mesi motor so
e we na be ba
e ti mi ba
ni motor no e bia baby kwa ka we ko no beti bi motor na kofa wa ba na e wa beto sa aka na
agro bi die ma hu ye tin concert mi do nyango pon se wa ho si e the budget sika pa John Mahama ni NDC fo de ko sasa enwo mo tontontura we ya ho so mo di sika pa o mo ni wa ko sasa tontontura we begu a ni do nyame ebeti ni kura sisi hospitals we ye ni abe ye wo ye ka sei se moto ni kura ko fon free a e bi hospital we do beto fom se moto no e ko fon free lungu a kan ti ni nko ho a ye do ba hospital one my do beto fom ye di so asi so mu waste Ghana sika anyhow kura nu nko na ma Ghana sa enti se ma ni suwa na mi bi ba ko da wom adi woyi a emu ha saadi woyi wo ha ye ni patum moto o mani na mode ya adwene di agro ana mu ni mo sabo Ghana sika mo na mu di left right center enti we ambulance e dey o dem any serious country bia no o mu kompo mpene sa moto no o mani no ye serious ko de be na moto wura enyi be bia na moto wura na sa ayi ade mu ha we na nam highway sa ayi ambulance na nam highway e kwa hi ade John Mahama ya danya mo ka no kwa cha no wako se santonto ya ba de go ani sikaka sie e ba kan se ka no ko fa ambulance ba e ntonto aye enti John Mahama
me man ka John Mahama samsa
mamika
me pacho ti o ma be say
ni ye o da me ba
no ti
ni
bi di ade aba wontimi mo na ba so
ni mo na ba so tira aye ade na ndi sifo ya na mo di ye di agro wako se santonto ya de go wani e fa ntum ani zato ya ni kurani se se ye wo hai ali za to bibusa kwashi ye wa hei na bibia kasa bo ne mra na ona fasa bi ye program bibia si ni ya fofu wa front case wo bekom
moto so
nka moto wa wo ko moto ne so
oh ade
anya moto ne na meka
ade medi dem sa
de nkoso moto ne de nkoso me ba ka ya esisi we pragia yi ali za to nya ni kurani ye frɛ bi sa mna sesi wo bekom
mekom
nkom
ta wo kasa anya se medi dem
abi
se mi ko sa
ati so pragia o
na I na me say so kasa na se medi dem
ali za to ati so pragia
me fa pragia
Daddy, what pragia is different from some other pragia. Why ever for one to the them? And is that a winkum? And I do want to me a car, Mama Yanka. Let's show you ambulance and a man and I'm hurry. Show ambulance and another don't go for the cover by. Ye cassette here. Ye cassette here, any equal. Maybe that's so yet. And you told your Mahama, baby, because it's a buy. Any motor, baby, and a class can bomb, and a 3 ambulance, Papa Crab, time crana, and can see for our first war. So I say, motor you tobacco. Me and say, my, and no, it's not a car back where full ambulance. And you want to be put out 10 per crana, and it's why I be. What want to turn chance away, and when we have a sister, I don't know. I don't know.
Mami ko jamo.
Na bi ya kana kwa John Mahama aso ona tina so foforo no. Papa ina ye. What na ko 2 years o le zato. O ko 2 years. What you say? Anya wa hasa no ko fa agukwa na. Oma ya sin na ya kwe no. Osima na chi kokwa ketekete. Na wo jina wa ya de kam sin so agukwa na ya sin na tutu. Ni a che ya ma ba ko na de kam sin so. Ni a ma ba ko na de kam sin so.
Se me kasa chi.
Ya da so wi so. Eliza to jana ya let's see time me yare ni afre mi say me for hospital me to one be some bicycle we dey so say dey ni wetu me ni wu
me de mekom
nko
na bo man pagina ba so
nko
say free private
Eliza to nko
say stroke hepatitis B hypertension say a sitre yare no den na papa it ma dwum so the free private health care be ba no John Mahama me bo aba so we a visionary leader. ɛyɛ me fɛ kora yɛ moto na ɛsaka ho
moto ɛdɛɛdɛyi
ɛne
moto ɛdɛɛdɛyi
class nketewa kama
moto ɛdɛɛdɛyi mo ni policy ba mo fɔ policy papa ma mo fɔ policy ɔmo tún Ghana sika go too much mo wɔ si Ghana sika dodo mo wɔ si Ghana sika ɔmo sisan moto wɔ iba sikiri ni wɔ yɛ bɛsi wɔ wuli sika ɔno kɔfa yɛ yɛ kari yɛ mo ma wuli mama ntɔ ɔno kɔfa yɛ mo wɔ si sika saa adai wọ́n bí àwọn ọ̀tọ̀ sika wọ́n kọ̀tọ̀ pad ọ̀tọ̀ sika náà kọ̀tọ̀ pad adé tí wọ́n yẹ sá ẹ̀yẹ di ọdún papa ní wọ́n yẹ nẹ̀yẹ.
ẹyẹ mayi wá firi owurọ John Dramani Mahama me Eliza Pamita the world greatest philosopher me bọ aba so wọ́ká yà wọ́n di abẹ́yì omoto yà di abẹ́yì sẹ́ stroke diabetes hepatitis B ẹsẹ̀ adi a wà lanchi no ayé mi fẹ́ papapapapa ayé mi fẹ́ papapapa. Say ya launch primary health care FPHCR program April 2020 say able provide equitable access to essential health services. The initiative will cover screening, diabetes, yes, hypertension, cancer, antenatal care, common illness. Now, allow residents to access service using only a valid national ID or CHIPS compound and health service. John Mahama and I pay me sorry ma wate and I pay my boy abaswate and I pay we a guy. Adeɛ na wayɛ no moto na wode aba ɛne cars nketewa a wode aba no woyɛ visionary leader wonu sɛ me I support you adeɛ bia bɛyɛ bia yɛ me fɛ onyame nhyira wo me yada wate sɛ nipa nyina ate sɛ wanka ni problem ɔyɛ my best wano yɛ na pɛ
tell wa dwe ma me e wo comment section when the amount for airca wo so adwen tell anything motor king ambulance ya tell free primary health care. What is your view on that? How you PENYAH